One major drawback of the Mi 360-degree Home Security Camera 2K Pro is the lack of battery backup. You can solve this problem to an extent by using a power bank as an intermediary. Here is how you connect it for maximum usability. Connect the supply from the mains to the input of the power bank and then connect the Mi Home Security Camera to the output of the power bank. Once the camera is connected to the output, it will start. The camera then will complete the usual initial rotation and start streaming and recording the video. Let me give some space for the camera to rotate. The charge indicator of the power bank is blinking now as it is simultaneously being charged while powering the camera. The Mi Home Security Camera officially supports power banks, and by connecting it with a power bank, you can continue recording even after a power failure. The horizontal rotation is now complete and the vertical rotation is on its way, as you can see by the movement of blue light just above the lens. The presence of blue light also tells you that the network connection is established. I will now position the camera and start a live feed. Now that the streaming has started, let me adjust the camera a bit more for a better angle of view. At this point, I must tell you that not all power banks support charging other devices while getting charged themselves. I will now cut the main power to show how the device responds. A timer was also started to show how much time it would take to resume the recording and streaming. This is a Portronic power bank and I have been using it with the previous version of this camera for the last 2 years. Now the display of the power bank is not blinking as the charging has stopped and only discharging is going on. The device will go for a full restart as the power banks are not capable of uninterrupted power supply. If you want to avoid this restart, you need to buy something like a mini UPS which costs far more than the power banks. By around 32 seconds, streaming restarted, but as the device is still in rotation, reaching a set angle will take some more time. We will wait for the rotation to finish. At around 48 seconds, the camera regained its previous position before the power cut. This is how you give a battery backup to the Mi 360-degree Home Security Camera 2K Pro. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.